Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to follow sports, products, teams, athletes and cities on the Nike application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. Now scroll down till you find the following section and tap on the button Edit. Now you can select from the sports that you prefer, and if you would like to follow any of these, and tap on the plus icon on the right side of the screen, thereby adding it to your follow section. Then if you scroll to the right side of the screen, at the top of the page, you can select from products that you would like to follow, teams that you are interested in, athletes and cities as well. So if you would like to add anything to your list, just simply tap on the plus icon, thereby adding it to your follow list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.